Welcome to Waterfall Cottage. I'm Cherie, and that's Tommy. And today we might be gardening, remodeling, cooking, canning, or tending to our chickens. Stick around and see what we are up to today. Hey y'all. So I'm outside today working on the chicken coop. It's something I do at least every 3 months, is do a complete deep clean and disinfect. And I realized I hadn't introduced you guys to our newest chickens. We got 5 of them, and some lady was giving them away. Basically, she realized she couldn't have them in her rent house, and a couple of them are Wyandottes, and I'm not sure what the other 3 are. They are 10 weeks old now, and they came with this little perch thing with the little swing. I don't want to pick them up because they freak out when you try to pick them up. They're not quite tame yet, and I don't trust my older girls yet with them. I'm going to wait till they're about 12 weeks old before I integrate them. I'm keeping them out here in this part of the coop run, and the big girls have the coop itself. They can come in and out the door that has little heart-shaped cutout in it. But I am switching over in here. It was just a dirt bottom, but when we get a lot of rain, it turns into a big soupy muddy mess, and I don't want them having to live in that. Even though there's plenty of places they can get up out of the mud, I don't want them covered in mud and nastiness and all that, you know, bacteria and all of that. So I'm switching over to sand, which I know is a controversial topic, but I have used sand in the past with no issues, so I'm not here to argue with you about what's better or whether you should or you shouldn't. My experience has been positive with using sand in the coop, so I'm not even going to go there with that argument. And if you want to know why they have such a argument over it, there's plenty of videos out there that go over all the different arguments for sand and against sand. But I'm switching to sand today. So, come here, baby. Come here. She let me catch her. I mean, she kind of looks like a longhorn, but I mean a longhorn. You're not a cow, are you? She kind of looks like a leghorn, but she's not a leghorn. That I'm aware of. Isn't she cute? Say hi. Hello to the people. So you can see about how big they are. They can fly and everything else, but we're going to keep them separate so they don't get pecked to death by the big mamas. Anyway, I'm going to get back to putting all the sand in their coop, in their little area here, and I'll be back in a minute. And over here, we've got a broody mama. Hello, mama. We don't have a rooster, so that's not going anywhere. And I need to get this cleaned out and put some more bedding in here. So let me get that done real quick. I'm not real particular about the bedding that I use. I'm just using flakes from Tractor Supply this time. But I won't be using hay anymore from the feed store because of the Grazon, which destroys your garden and won't let anything grow. And if I can't recycle the bedding and I have to throw it away, then what's the point? So make sure you don't make the mistake I made by using hay that has Grazon on it. the chickens will rearrange this stuff how they want it, so don't really worry about it too much, except getting it spread out in here a little bit so it's not in a big clump. Otherwise, they'll come in here and do what they want with their house, and I'm perfectly fine with that. Now, Grubterra sent me this chicken coop refresher made in the USA. It's got rosemary and thyme in it, and it's a 4-pack, 15-week supply. And basically what you do, sorry, it's hot out here and I'm sweating, is you just take a packet and sprinkle it. You can see its little granules, and you just sprinkle it. Ooh, yep, rosemary and thyme. You sprinkle it, you just sprinkle it throughout the coop, and it's supposed to make your chicken coop smell better. Let's see what it, it's hot. Let's see what it says here. 100% natural and safe, biopel hydrophobic coating, slow release mechanism, fresh mint scent, effective up to 5 weeks, and extends coop bedding life. So anything we can do to make these chicken coops not smell so chickeny is a good thing in my book. So it's safe for your chickens, supposedly. Grubterra wouldn't sell it if it wasn't. So I will put a link down below if you guys are interested in checking out this chicken coop refresher. So let me get back to cleaning the chicken coop. Alright, well, this part's all done. Closing that up. So I never actually got finished the other day with the chicken coop because I got overheated. And then I got sick and found out I have an infection, which I'm now being treated for. So I'm out here to finish it again today. And finish getting this sand all put in. So let me get the sand put in finally, and then we'll finish this video. Alrighty, well, their water bowl's clean and filling up. Everything's clean enough. Move their little ladder thing over to here. They can use it as another board to get up into the chicken coop. And we'll just keep adding sand until we have an efficient amount in here. But so far so good. But like I said, I'm not here to argue with you guys or anyone about whether sand or, you know, what kind of litter is best for your chicken coop. I'm just here to show you how we do it and our failures and successes. Take it, you know, with a grain of salt. Do what you want with the info. I don't claim to be a chicken expert. I just claim to be someone who's raised chickens for nearly 30 years and mostly had positive experiences, just a few negatives. So this works for me. I'm gonna get inside because the mosquitoes out are eating me alive, and it is still hot here. It's about 95 degrees. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great week. I know you're probably looking forward to fall just like I am, or if you're in the South, I know you are, because it's just unbearably hot and we haven't had rain in a while. We really need some rain. But thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.